Truman Show during a rare night on stage or out on the town. Despite all my dancing, I refuse to sit down. I'd rather look around while I'm still in my flow, analyzing all of you who cryptically surveil the free show. Jesus, set me free from this bondage. Where to go? What to do?
Help me do it all for you.
Perceptive perspective, even in the fog. I ain't blind. I ain't. Positive pep talk. Positive pep talk. Your teeth are right. Your skin is clear. The soil is ripe. It's your year.
It was so much fun re-recording these 3 poems for you. My songbirds, welcome benevolent bunnies to the vlog. Thank you, readers, for coming over to this side of YouTube to continue to support my poetry book, Songbird, My Psalms. And if you're not new here, thank you for remaining here. And this is indeed my book. This was a little snippet, a little preview, 3 of 1,000, not 1,000, but. By the way, all these poems in this long form little video I made here at the tea shop, coffee shop, cafecito place, confidential location, these were by me. My co-author did not take part in these, although he has some good ones that will stay for the 2nd edition, but not all of them. The book link is in bio if you're interested. Toodles!